What's up, Speak My Mind family? One, Speak My Mind. One, not two. One. One nation stands alone. It's that time of the festive season again, people, when you have change of governance, you know. And today is nomination day for the participant them, councillors and stuff. So I'll be able to traverse are going with both parties. Anyway, boy, Jamaica cold, listen people. I tell you, Jamaica cold. So when you touch a evening time, you can start feeling getting stuffy. Anyway, people, wagwan. You don't know one Speak My Mind, you don't know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. People, I decide to do back over that video here, because I do it yesterday. YouTube restrict it, I review it, and then stick to them decision. So I try to do it back over. I don't like do back over video, because anytime I do it back over, it never do the same. You know, that pump the way I have, when I do it the first one, I don't feel it doing it the second one. But we just want to get this out there, so I try to do it back. So if you don't get that, that look raga, the out of me, I saw it. But you don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. You understand? Yes, man. Remember, the Young Entrepreneur College student link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. And the cash app, you ask her it, you get it. It's in my comment section also. $ Life is a Mission TV. You know you give me use a gift and give back to the needy. And use a fraction, which no fraction of they all know yet. Because when I get me, just have to just give it back and make it up and give it back. You understand? But whatever I want to give me, with it go to the needy, whether a young school child or an elder person, sick person, or even young people might find and them fall for hard times and stuff like that. You understand? So when you give me, I that me do the gift. When I have asked for this for months now, I'm still not see it. Me have like a few handful of people who reach out. Big up Scotty. Big up Deborah. Rhoda Brissett. Big up Miss P. Big up Nicole. Big up Night Nurse. Yeah man. Big up on yourself. All who not hear the name, I on the paper in my hand, so I don't remember on the name offhand. Big up Untouchable. Big up JJ. What's up, JJ? Anyway, people, we getting at this. Sometimes I wonder, them people that eat, sleep, and drink, gossip. Them eat, sleep, and drink, mix up. No, sir. Them people that got them bed, and got them bed. Them got them bed uncomfortable, and them wake up uncomfortable. Why I don't know. Because these people just go to them bed and just wake up 3-4 o'clock in the morning. Some of them depend on phone right during the day, or when you go so and you sleep and wake before the morning. When you look at them, that them not go sleep all now. And what kind of time you have to answer? Some wake up 3-4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. You can't hear the voice. Them not get up and rinse out them look a dirty mouth. Them not get up and pick the mat out of them eye or nothing. That them have to in the dark. Them can't even show themselves. You understand? And these are the same people who come and criticize the woman down at town, how much she come in a live and do live and a pick matter out. At least she not better pick the matter out of her eye and she a show she not. She pick them out and like on the way they pan and they behind the dark. Anyway, I hear T-girl she come out. And people, boy, I don't know. I don't know if it's about them people here. She come out against Larry the Lizard, our crony, and the one that she refer to as the Rooster, which is me shit, Bradshaw. First, she go at 99. I think she also call her Lady V name. You understand? And she talk about this whole stagnant argument and how 99 and 50 year old and she just has see things and she must buy her first vehicle from she must see 17 or 18 then liar. But at the same time you have people who get rich when them die in bed. You have people who get rich when them hold somebody. So what that have to do? Everybody couldn't buy a car at the same time. Everybody couldn't buy a house the same time. But when you have the ambition and the will and you have life, there is hope. Alright. Where are you now? After seeing life from a tender age and enjoying life from a tender age. Me never know say that did have an expired date for you. So your time of living life and enjoying life is expired. Because I think you should have built on what you have earned from your early stage in life. But instead of your bill, I no bill me see your bill. You understand? And this woman you know where you said from I've seen she 50 or 40 enough, she achieve a certain things in life. She keep achieving. Every month, every day, every year, she keep achieving. So she keep building her stocks. And in building your stocks, you know exactly what is going to happen once you have your head on your body. Building your stocks, that simple mean when retirement time come, it not reach expired date. You can sit back, cock up your foot and enjoy life. You understand? And feeding off your wealth that you provide. At one stage, she said, no, she do the work. She come and talk about hard work and the people them round her do the work. Hold on. So when Bush chart, they all over the world, I in place cock up. When John Hissa, the Matalan cock up all over, what you think him hire people to do? To do the work. He find the collaterals. He provide the collaterals. Because without the collaterals, no work can go on. So he find that. So I don't know, body make starting life from 17, 18 as well you say, make you not find yourself in that position where you can cock up your foot and have people calling Janai, fresh. Cause that's what the whole only worry about. That you know call big life. Uno so now live life, I used to live life. This is big life. When I can afford to call Janai, fresh, Tina, and they are present. If I want a cup of water, them carry it come. If me want a cup of tea, them carry it come. Cause that you know jealous of every day when you sit down and talk about in a phone, you know. And before she get up off her big and go burn some calories. Uno no fret of that man. Uno want burn more than calories. Yeah man, uno want burn more than calories. Anyway people, uno do the do and listen what I go on. Alright? Cause me not come to stay long because trust me, me not like do video and have to do them over. Me not feel the same vibes.
All we have to say to all of these people here on the internet who my daughter don't even have like what they're cursing my daughter about is the dumbest thing. Because I am not going to disclose certain stuff on here, but them just see something on our page and them just run with it. That's what it is, you know. They all see something on my daughter's page where she was expressing about getting some treatment done. And them see everything, see what she write, she and her friend them attack, see what she write, I troll my daughter, see what she write on her page, and save it. It start with the pants note over this, so, and then the whole of the idiot then pick it up. That's just how these dunce Jamaicans are. And it's so sad because them see somebody say something, and instead of them form them own opinion, them just follow fashion.
That's how these dunce Jamaicans are. This is how you classify us every day, you know. But when you come on and we talk about your education that you pretend to have because of how you classify us as dunce, you come out and say we are worried about people education. And then if you stop them from have education, and education was there for everybody. You don't have no education, but because you keep on referring to us as dunce and classify we Jamaican as dunce, we classify you as bright. We not worry about your education because we know you don't have no education. Educated people who need a phone are going like you and say you're a business person is that you that have used your education and mesh it with your business skill and get you in a life. Where are you now?
Them ear spans mouth say the word stagnant. The whole of them pick up the word stagnant and I use the word stagnant. They don't even know, some of them can't even spell the word stagnant. them ear pants mouth can't say the name stagnant.
You alone can do
Anytime them
everything.
hear nobody say something and it sound negative enough, it sound negative and it sound nasty enough, them just run with it. Them not run with nothing positive. I be a nasty shit them I run with. Because their minds are smutty. The whole of them do the same thing. All of them. Stagnancy is not our portion. Well, here what, babes. Stagnancy for anybody. I don't think anybody is stagnant except for that bleach out control over
You're
the sun.
contradicting.
That don't
How she a
nobody so
contradict
stagnant.
herself?
Why she
No, she
stagnant?
don't think
Because
nobody
she
is
can't
stagnant,
even
but
read
yet
and
say she a
write.
pint pan cracker teeth
But
said
she in a
she only
people
thinks she's
business.
the
That
only
right
one
there
that's
is
stagnant. You saw
stagnancy.
them fool? These
You
are the
understand?
educated persons.
But for the most part, as much as me not like enough of them drunk or on the internet, enough of them will have platform. Me not think none of them stagnant. When I think about it, most of them drunk or they pan whether they cuss me not gonna look upon them and say them stagnant because them a do whatever look them a do look for them life and that's it. But the dunce over there so stagnant, she's a dunce. Because me can't be 50 odd years old and can't read and write and up in a people business and want to be moderator and want to be announcer and want to be blogger and want to be vlogger. You don't even know how to work the technology. You don't even know how to work phone. But you want to be up in everybody's business now. That's stagnant. You can't even wear proper clothes. That's stagnant. There in America, she said for 15 years. 15 years not just the other day. She just come. She not there a long time.
But you and her did it.
And
You
instead
did
of
it
she go
before
pick
her,
up
but
a
you and
book,
her no look no difference. Away from
instead of
once in
she
a
go pick up a
while
book
when you
and go
stress
educate
yourself to go
herself
buy
and go
one little
feed
piece of
herself with
clothes,
some knowledge,
naked clothes to put on to look good.
she up on the
You and
internet
her
in
no
a
look no
people business. Go
difference.
find some of the man.
And you did it
Or
long
while
before
you're in a
her.
people business, quietly go back to school, go get a look at high school diploma. We call them some of the GED.
You
Go
don't even
learn how
know
to
because you don't
read.
have none yourself and you recommend
So
people
you can
and you
write, you
don't
go in
have
a
none
caption
yourself.
them and stop make people write your caption for you. You make people write your caption. She love friend and company, you see. They have a lot of adult classes here in America. America pride themselves. No matter how old you is, America give you the opportunity
That
to
me say too.
learn
And you
something in
stop at
life.
St.
Me see
George's
people go
infant
back
school
big
in
8 year
Jamaica.
old and get them bachelors and all them something.
You stop 3 tier below secondary
You
education.
understand?
But you recommend people.
Big grey tone, barky. Our skin fever like bad road in a Jamaica. I saw her face and her skin
Bad road not the
like bad
America.
road. And she up on the internet at all people. In the dark as that at that too. Everything a fall off her. Her teeth them a drop out, her skin a drop off. She does say she had ability. Go find some of the man. Go jog. And house is not being stagnant. Not even want to bring up that topic there again, because it's just so ignorant and dark. Like me not even want, in a sense, me not even want to entertain the stagnant talk. Because I can't believe that somebody open up our caption them, she always a yell in a caps, these big words. Oh, I yell with big caps. You can't even write, but you want to be blogger? Make it make sense. You can't even speak. You can't even, you not even can't chat in a patois. Not even patois you can't speak.
She don't
That's
want
how
to go with that
dark it is.
stagnant
You can't
argument
even
because I don't
speak
know
patois.
the whole stagnant thing come from.
That's a different level of illiteracy when you can't chat patois. Or you can't chat the local dialect. That's you're damn fat. I should lose the weight and go down to that size then. So she sit down there call 99 fat. She have 99 in the same boat. And weight she lose. But I really want to entertain the whole stagnant talk, Because I feel like it's an illiterate statement, That statement was very illiterate of the person to make it, because these just come people will just acquire little things in their life. Them just acquire them late.
You see? She jump right from low. She never want to entertain the stagnant talk. But watch the jump what she make now. Me don't know how she not dropping up. Listen to the jump right to 99. And she got entertain the stagnant talk just to start on 99. Listen, when 99 just a own from when 99 just a own.
Call him late in life, big man.
I'm not listening because she
like
just
the
wait.
person who are trying
Until
to
we rinse,
flick
she
that
rinse her don't come out.
stagnancy thing for people. She was 50 years old and she just get look adult things in her life. She just get a car, just get a look decent place to live. So in a fear it
not just I get a car. Just I get cars. Not just getting a car, cars. And not local cars neither. When I said local cars, the last one that she required, it's a name car. Okay? BMW. Unlike you, where you earn car for how much years? As where you say you buy your first one from you 17 or 18, you say. And you can't move from that level there. You understand? She just get house. You know America all long. Where America provide all kind of ways for them citizens feel comfortable and better after that you have to work towards achieving what you want. You understand? Because the government of America make things affordable in certain ways and easy to reach. All you need is the requisite documentation and what you need. Unlike Jamaica, you want one house. You have to go through this, go through that. All you throw your house in just one bag of problem. No land not there, no house not there, and it go through special people and favoritism. Not so America go, but yet still you don't have one. You continue to pay rent for people place when you could have take that money there and not pay a mortgage, and at some time the place end up the year one. But I want to know she should jump from 0 down to 100. Because up there so 99 there, not down here so with them. So she have to start climb from here so she start pan lower and gone at 99.
she feel like she's successful. Because but she now look on the maths. She now maths the things them. For no say people are get them things from in them 20s.
And where are they now?
Me? People are get car and all them things from in them 20s.
Where are they now? How much of them have still have the car?
My first car me buy is when I was 19 going on 20. My first car.
And where are you now?
Because
still there with your first car, if no mind sharp. Or still there one car. How much car you own since then?
Things where okay, you're happy, so you get it, but you now look on it.
How much car you have changed since buying your first car at 19?
It's just, you get something, you're happy, so you get it, because you probably work hard, yeah, but if you sit down and call people stagnant, that's crazy.
Listen,
when you are 50 years old and just big 50-year-old. If you never did that beg people, you wouldn't get it. I don't like you work hard for them. You don't work hard for them. No, you didn't work hard for them.
I teach them.
And that's the facts of the matter. You did not work hard for what you got. Didn't work hard. It just make it look like you work hard. Everybody else.
This is why I say I'm not jealous. Because it's like, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe said Dana just come and big so already, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe said Dana just come and earn so much things, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe my eyes, I can't believe my eyes said Dana just buy BMW. That's how no jealousy, She not work hard as what Uno say. If people never had this and people never had that. So why Uno know the easy way out and choose the hard way out for a struggle? Uno know the easy way out to earn things. I wanna choose the hard way for your struggle. You must be mad. I wouldn't mind find the easiest way to earn what I want. I only want to know I earn it honestly. So if a man hire me to come sit down on the wall and watch a man build a house, why me I go take the part to mix the cement? When probably me I get all the same pay just to sit down on the wall and watch a man build the house. Wanna tell me now people, somebody give me a amen. Amen. Remember, if you sit down on the wall and watch a man supervise him and build the house and go mix the cement at the same money, but one of them harder than one. And if me have a choice, why not sitting down on the wall and still earn an honest bread, So you know the easy way out, I want to not choose it, and I suffer now, and I jealous of people.
around and do the work, and nothing wrong with that. But if you know that's the case, don't come on here and try to deflect and call people stagnant. You did not work hard. People do the work for you.
Fresh.
You sit down by your body and you call Fresh, Tina, Tats, all of them for get your buckle of water.
A
get
them
this,
lifestyle you're jealous of for
so
the
you sit
whole
down by
of
your
no.
body and ask
Oh,
people
no
for get you
can't
them
live it.
things.
I know she make no can't live it.
You not exercise.
Oh, no shall
Because you could have
prepare
used
for
about
live
50
it.
calories walking inside of your house to go get a buckle of water. 50 calories right just to burn off.
Look how early you are live life. You get enough time to prepare and you never do it. You live the same life like she.
You could have lose 50 calories and go upstairs for go pick up something for go get your phone where you left, your phone charger where you left in your bedroom. 50, you could have burned 100 calories. People don't understand, you know, calories count, burden of calories count. But when you sit down by your body every day and issue out instructions to everybody, what you think? You're going to get big and fat. When you name cheesecake, quarter pound of old chicken and rice and all that sitting there, they sit there and get you fat. You know? Now when you sit up on the internet and call people stagnant and stuff, right? Suppose somebody look on you and tell you say you're fat stagnant because it now move nowhere and your body stagnant. The people you got here say the people them wicked because them have body shame and them and this. But you shaming people too. You calling people stagnant. You know what I mean? Like with the internet? The internet is so one-sided. Yeah? Because people insult others all the time. And it's not just her. Other people can come on the internet and insult people all the time. And provoke people all the time. But when people ready to get up and fight back and insult them back, they want to turn the light on the people. That's why I'm not really pay attention. That's why this year I'm just give it to them, you know. This year I just give it to them. So all I know when they on my page will expect me to act a certain type of way and act professional because I own all of that done. All of that done. I not do them sitting there no more. Because I've realized that these types of Jamaicans who are fighting against people on social media, they do not
Finish people.
them not deserve none of them sitting there. Because them do all of them are drunk or them don't understand diplomacy and professionalism. Them are dog shit.
You alone.
Right?
I mean,
no,
if
you're a
take
customer, that's different. I'm going to give you my professionalism and my diplomacy. But when it comes down to these drunkards on social media, we have life, people, you cannot give them that because they're going to think you're soft.
Know it all. Education
and that's what they
and
thought
everything.
of me.
You have that. You have the package.
Because they see me running my business, and I'm just trying to keep up that whole professional image. You know, I own a business. I cook food. I'm not cook food. I bake food. You know, so I didn't want to.
Hey, be sure you don't lie. You understand? She own a business. She cook food. All cook food reach the sun. You never even fry two spread and say you sell it. You say you cook food. Or you mix up baking with cooked food. Eh? But because you so lie, you want to sit down, I want to plan the lies them, I want to can't wait for daylight to come out, come get it off before you got the lie them on the plan. So you just a flourish, come off fast enough. You know? Yeah. And then now, you tell lie along the way about your cook food. Anyway, continue.
To appear like a vagabond while I'm preparing people's baked goods and all of that. I want to upkeep my image. That's basically what I was doing.
What image?
These last few years, just upkeeping my image. And in addition to that, I have matured. Certain things I don't do anymore. You know. And number two, I know better. So of course I did better. A lot of things I ignored, you know. I didn't go toe to toe with a lot of them because I'm mature, I'm past them things there. I'm a professional person. I bake foods. I don't sell a market. You understand? So I had to conduct myself in a certain way.
Why you couldn't stick by your grandma's own friend?
Like me want put them in a place every so often, I would have. But to come all out and go on like me a dirty girl, like, that was just not a part of me.
Days, weeks ago. Because I never want to say months, because months ago sound too long. You and this person was like this. You understand? And all of a sudden, because whatever happened, and the whole Christmas season come and she said she gonna bake. And you know say you're gonna lose the set of people them will support she in supporting you, you cause a problem. Because when it touch baking season, anybody will bake, we are gonna, you know, stop a few customers from buying from you. All one of the people them customer, you have a problem with them and you will do anything to fall out with them. You not fall out. You don't have no difference. You come and talk about she, but you never stop till you climb the ladder and reach 99. A snake on the ladder. Okay. But remember, when me I grew up and play snake on the ladder, at certain time you reach the top, the snake bite you, you drop back a ground. So behave yourself. Mine you feel like you reach up there. If you come tear me down and the snake beat you. Mine. I saw snake on the ladder play, you know. Who remember?
These non-progressive elements, they be trying you.
That's you.
They might try you.
Non-progressive element. That's
Because
you.
them not
Because
nothing
you
for
have
losing a
no
life,
progress
so
in
them might
anything you
help you
do.
lose where you have.
All
Them
the
not
way you
have
do
that
from way
damn
back
thing for losing a
when
life.
interviewing
None
celebrities.
Look on a little
Celebrities.
drunk where the she over this
Celebrities.
she with her nasty self.
Celebrities.
Company
No
internet, me just
progress, so
try
you
show
something
her
wrong
some
with your boy. You
some
try everything
civility.
and God hurt.
So she not feel excluded. Feel sorry for the girl. And I tell the girl for go to school. Go back to school for go learn for read and write. Because me and myself know say the girl don't. But me never want to insult her and make she feel no way. You understand? So I kindly said to her, my girl, go back to school because in my head, I'm tired of laugh off of you. When you try to pronounce
She gone
words
back
and you
on
can't
Lord
pronounce
now.
words, I'm tired of laugh off of you. So if me a laugh off of you, other people a laugh off. If me can't point out so you can't pronounce
Someone
word,
say
other
she run
people
a
point out so you
business.
can't pronounce word. And them now gonna take
And
you serious. So
4:35
whatever
o'clock a
corruption you
morning
claim
time, the
you did in a
woman wake
fight,
up, gone
nobody never
on
did
live.
take you serious because you can't pronounce words.
And
Because
it's
them
not
gonna
like
say
she have
what
a
kind of
platform
nonsense.
where you know
For people to
she
take you
feel
serious, you have to do
she
certain
feed
things.
different audience.
You are you.
Unlike a 99 we have a platform that feed different audience. I must say feed different audience. You know England, different time. So most of 99 supporters from England no catch her live them. So I'm mostly like, you know, they D-Live, them have to go watch. So unlike 99, you have the crowd there, the platform there. People from even other country we have different time. When 99 click her live 2, 3 o'clock during her baking season and stuff, or morning time when she get up to do her prayer worshiping. We sure if you know so she gonna have a strong audience out there watch her. If I have a 300-400 somebody, it's just not get the 2,000, the 1,000 odd and the 3,000 odd. But like she not have the audience there. And when she get up on morning time, she get up for people business. When 99 get up them early time there, is either during her baking season or when she get up on morning time prayer worshiping. And when she done pray and whatsoever she come on the live. You understand? But when you come on the life for people business, so you eat, sleep and drink people business and go to your bed and wake up with people business, man. Mix up and say you're a business person. How you work that out? When you should have get some rest your brains to think about what's the next move. What's the next product we can put on the market instead of going around mixing all kind of things. For mess up people belly when they have no substance. Because I can tell you say come next year or by year end, most of these products where you run with last year, where you twist and try, you're gonna come back out with them. And reason being, the response that you get from them is not good. We might not know because you're not going to publicize it. Because somebody even video call you, voice note you, or send you a review video, you're not going to send it. You're going to put out the good one them. And like 99, I have seen 99 put out bad review. But it's constructive criticism. Not disrespectful, constructive criticism. You now put out whether the bad one, the constructive one, or the non-constructive one. You understand what I say to you? So, no one know. Better you stay in your bed and rest your brain, man, and think about what's your next move.
But your guide dog. Yeah, your rooster friend. If you have a rooster, if you have a black rooster in a
Mishik Bacha, that she attack.
them
The
tough rooster they
speaker
walk
over
up and
tell
down in
like him.
Jamaica. But them
She
black,
call a
I saw
rooster.
your friend look. If you have a rooster. To know about to not fight corruption every day. Maybe one could have cracked a case if one was just different people. So any look evidence what they gone now. Because one two idiot never know what I do.
So, you never know that from day one. When you join hands and force with them, you never know that from day one. You just know that after you and them fall out. How long you have your own platform where you claim to say you have your own supporters and you have yourself as a force to be reckoning in social media. Because you come from what people run down fill up. You understand? You come from when L.A. Lewis just got put Philo Dilo down at the water bottom against the seashell. And from them time that you coming up. From GS bus I run, and when me look and take every GS bus, me see Philo Dilo mark up L.A. Lewis. Me I wonder for the same L.A. Lewis until today. Or him just carry on the name. Because if fit him age. I can't the same L.A. Lewis from me a boy I go to school I take GS bus. So from them time that you know say these people are like that, you know. But I know that. You join hands with them to strengthen the ties where you have a stronger chain can pull down the lady there. But the opportunity never come and will never come for no pull her down. You understand? Recent one you know, the woman get her a contract. The woman was offered a business deal to come and promote a certain place in Canada. The woman go do her job, do what she's supposed to do in promoting the place, promoting other product, which is birdie product that she's the ambassador for. She take it there, and also not take it there, but because of she, those people were willing to buy Miss Birdie product, put in their shelf, because them know definitely say she gonna come, so she gonna promote that product. They also say they would have got that flax sale of Miss Birdie product. The woman do her job, collect her little dividends, left Canada, no know nothing about people business, but to not make it look like she were hired as a lawyer or an investigator, a private one, to investigate the people them business, where them I do from where them not do. So, because she not do that, she take her the job where she get, do her work, collect her dividends, everything alright. People get themselves in a different type of bangarang, nothing concerning 99. Uno run out on platform talking about acquaintance and association and whatsoever. So me never know say it was 99 responsibility after the people them hire to come promote them place to find out what them background status is like. Me never know that. When TVJ, a company step up to TVJ and CVM and all these radio stations with their ads and want to buy a slot, and managing director or which part of them go said, okay, this slot is available and it costs $500. Me no see none of them TV station or radio station there. I do not do diligence and check about nobody background, because them you need to. Right now I have nothing to do with them. When me I go advertise is not illegal. When me I go do is not illegal. You understand? A business me I do, me a business where you earn your $500 from. If it's a case where it publicizes that you are this type of person and I feel like I don't want your money because I don't want to deal with it. It's a different thing. But them now go do no investigating and investigate how you get your money and what you're doing in life. Them take your job, them promote your business, them advertise your business, and that's it. If 2 days down the line, them here say you carry some white powder and you get caught, them now have nothing to do with that. Them never align with you doing that. If 2 months down the line, them here say domestic violence and you and your wife or your picnic whatsoever, them not busy with that. If 1 month down the line, them here say you throw dirt on me, them not have nothing to do with that. So why not make it look like say 99 have something to do with the latest thing we are going now? Me them not gonna speak much on it. Because me not see the need to, but in the days to come, if I see the need to, I will come out and speak some more on it. But when I just feel like say 99 and then you know come and talk about, oh, she going like say she the Almighty, she going like she roll thunder. Uno make the woman seems to be that. Not even feel so because I know she not feel so because she know she honor God and she know she not roll no thunder. But Uno feel like say the woman a roll thunder. So every goddamn thing happening in this world. You understand? She fi answer to it. Why? You know much how you talk to God and God not answer to you? You know much how you cry out to God how much different days and night and God not answer to you? So who's 99 for answer to you? If God rejects someone and not answer you, who is 99 for answer you? You no worth answering, man.
Too full, you know. All the evidence gone. You expose people identity, almost get people unalived and all them things there. But you want in them things there. You can't do them coherent things there. I don't know where you do, my girl. You play with people life. I give people voice note for whole and all that. Oh, you love friends, so. No, you have somebody by your page and write your status for you. You don't learn.
She not bright as you. It is obvious. How much time you see she write status and
You just
title
want to be
and
somebody
make one bag
so
of
badly.
mistake in
You
spelling.
want an identity so badly. You come out, talk truth, boss. Talk. And you know, me did I try help her out for build a local platform. You know, come and say, me see her flaws them in her. Somebody that try help out the local idiot girl.
And you can't
And
build your own?
she want to come pass her place.
Your platform is like an empty house. The house is there but nothing in it. So you walk and so you
Me I
echo.
try help out this
All
local
when you
idiot
walk your
girl where she
footstep are
come and
echo.
smell herself. With her smell, I come and try smell herself
Because
and
the
come and try
person where you go on
disrespect me.
like you
Girl, go sit
is.
down. After me, they
And the
feel
business
sorry for
person
you
where
and
me
the
see you
friggin'
say
rooster.
where you
The
say you
rooster,
is.
she they all over on social media.
Me
Look
no see that
publicity.
support there just by
In her
even
big
likes
tough
or
rooster
comment.
looking
Me no see the
self.
support. Me not talk about financially now.
It look like she
Likes
smell like
and
rose
support.
water.
Me no
They
see it.
all rub up with kalanka water.
So you
The
want to build
rooster, you
somebody
look like you
platform
smell
and
like
your own want
kalanka
build.
water, dog shit.
Your platform want tear down and refurbish. You want a modern platform. The platform where you have is back in the days when you had the Ninja Man, Tony Mataran and all of them the people there.
The thing is that here, the whole of them, you know, them left from over, some of them left from all over Instagram, you know. Right? Them left from over Instagram and come on Facebook, some of them, because them can't manage Instagram. Because Instagram, young people will chew them up. Them can't manage Instagram. Plus, sometimes you have to have a look for Instagram too, if you want to be out there and be
So
in a
you have
public
any?
lifestyle. And none of them not have that look there.
Pop
So them
Story
come over
tell
here
me.
up on Facebook now where them feel like them would have comfortable enough where people have them same age over here. You know, not to mention enough mad people over here too, you know. I'm not telling a lie. Enough mad people. Enough mad people over here. You understand? Every day you get up the same blood clot. You know, with your pedophile husband. You look the idiot cake you get. Your full food idiot cake I come at about. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you, my dear husband. My husband.
What you mean?
This
Maga,
is the
yes,
life
Lorian.
of a wife.
Maga, girl, make it keep
This
bun
is
them.
the life of
Cause
a
you have your
wife.
husband and them not got none.
Oh, you know, my mother taught me
People
how to
remember,
fight.
I am not with none of
My
them.
mother said I
I
should
wouldn't mind
always
them do
go
this
after the
every
bigger
day.
heads.
I am here
To
to
leave the
carry it.
small fry alone. Leave the small
Against
fry
them one
alone
another,
and go
I
after
wouldn't
the
mind
bigger
them do it
head.
every day.
I want to go after the bigger head.
Same
You go
knife way.
fight war and love
Goat.
run go to police.
Sheep.
You want to fight and I run go. And I saw it could be able love. If you fight, turn up and fight and take where I come
When
to.
you got children hospital and you carry a little child there and the child have fever and them test the temperature of the child and the child have fever, the same cataplasm with them give me or the same cataplasm them give. And then say go in at the tub of water, go put him in there and wash him down till him cool down. And the same thing the doctor tell me. So the same knife way hit goat, alright? Same medicine. Take a dose of the medicine,
said,
man. Give
you
it
know,
to no one
I
another.
don't want the,
So you are feed she so she a give back. Yeah, feed her and she give back.
I don't want the small fry.
Same
You
dose of medicine.
understand? You understand? Stop thief my talk. I mean say you understand. Am
So
I
hold on.
taught that?
No, I'm not serious note now, people. Somebody can thief understand. Understand is a word that everybody use. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20. You understand? Yes, I understand. It's a word. It's not a slang. So how should teach something for you? You see it when you come and try own things. It is not a slang. Mucho. Boop. Boop in them head. That's a slang. It's not a slang, so you don't see what she teach for you. Understand it's not a slang, man. Come, man, and come better than that. Wake up and go wash your mouth, man, and wash your face.
With your teeth in said. One day she hear me say, interject on my page.
Interject is a slang?
The word interject, you know. When me hear from the show, the girl gone over her page and said the same
Is
word.
interject a slang? No.
She can't spell it,
and we all learn words from other people.
Tell me if the girl
We might never ever use a word, but we all use words that we hear from other people. Once we use it in the right context, nothing wrong with it. It's just that sometimes we use words in the wrong context. And all that we do it sometimes, long after sometimes we catch up to the wrong context.
They're called money mules. They're called money mules. That's what they're called. Money mules. Money. I said, Jesus Christ, and people don't have them own words. No, sir. And then I come
Look at this business educated woman come from phone and talk about words, understand, money mules, interject. Right, you come a war over lady? You say you're not on life? At least you come a war over with another woman with worse not on life.
I'm telling you something, the difference. You see me, I don't hide, no, I don't shame and nothing. That's the difference. Them have enough things to hide. That's why she can't show her face. She have a lot of shit to hide. So when any little thing come out about them, they run, go hide, they shame like dog. When was the last time you go look for your pooper? Because so your pooper live. You're up on the internet and talk about people, family, and talk about my father. When was the last time you go and look at your pooper? Eh?
She gone for me.
You notice you're the only one you don't see with none of her family member them.
She gone for the speaker.
You don't even see her with her daughter. Shongla put up picture this so. You don't see her with her daughter at all. When I tell you say,
and I speak at the shatter. I love shatter.
You don't see her with no family member except for the dry up man Steve.
I love she up and see him with. Come here and say, daughter. Me don't know if you never I'm your born yet. Yeah. So one on them sun ya, sun can't done ya. Not the winter, not the summer. So from you never, no, from your born yet. So I couldn't that the woman she attack. So that's why I know say, and the speaker, yeah, son, cause me want me son ya, can't done ya. You don't know that song there? You don't know what you're talking about.
You see her with nobody. Not even her daughter you see her with.
The woman daughter no come in her yard, come ask her, what you and Dana have? What you do, Dana? Everything you analyze, how the woman do your son? The woman go her yard, so what you talk about? Plus she have a grand pitney. I recently we start see I'm with your grand pitney since XYZ. You understand? And true, you know, so some benefits is in the line and in the pipeline for you. Because you don't know government is going to take you a certain situation where your belly pain is concerned. So you want to be the caregiver. You want to be the receiver. To say, okay, I am the one who is taking care of her and you collect that money. Yes. So that's why you start push up yourself in her. And nothing else, you know. Oh. Free money, you did that look.
You take up a blood cleat, I'll be dirty girl, and come up and start fuck with people like, because your life miserable, you want everybody else's life miserable. Come and talk about my father and my daughter. Look how long the dirty girl I try to style me, I'm leave her and I say nothing to her. Make sure go and run her stinking butt. Because I tell her my blood cleat is, I'm glad I never sit down and leg on my belly to that dirty girl. Sophia Dunk, so she tell lie about how Sophia Dunk. Anytime you invite that girl in your space, she try to disgrace you. Right? Go over.
But you know, say you don't have nothing to hide. You know, could have invite her in your space. Why? You never want to come see the all-in-one. Eh? The all-in-one. And nothing wrong with you living the all-in-one, but it's how you kept the all-in-one. And through your all-in-one don't kept properly. You never want to invite her, because you know her mouth light.
So Sophia Donkey yard and talk about Sophia Donkey food and all of them something. Now look at dirty people you can't invite her your house, she a dirty girl. If you are gonna meet her out in the street. Me say 1 and 2 little thing or whatever.
One and
she
two
should
little
have probably record it
you
and
talk
beat
and
to
chat
somebody
everything.
to hold and this and that. Love record people. You see all I one day, the rooster one when near Michelle, trust me, she have enough recording of Michelle. Michelle is
It we can't wait pan. You think
that's
of
why
you?
she come on live
She
every night
a
and cuss
fear
and
one we
and the
can't wait
alcohol she
pan.
drink. She's a drunk, we never know. She a rumhead. Rascal.
We sit down and wait pan fear one.
Because she blame herself for her husband dead. Remember, I know she go open her house. Go open her husband's house and find the man dead body.
Oh, can't cut out a little part of the people.
What you think she a shout and a yell so and a go on, so? And the rum she drink before she come on live at night time.
Anyway, people. The first video was more pumped up than this. And I think I missed out a couple of things also who I really want to dissect. But as I said, that's the real reason why I don't like the over no video. You understand? But after what happened with the backup channel over there, once I restrict a video where ads is concerned, I'm not going to force and post it. I'm going to try to do it over. But I do it over, I'm going to get the same energy there more than me risk my channel and do it and still get knocked. Alright, my people. So anyways, Speak My Mind family, come to the end of another video. This video might not be pumped up as you normally know I would be pumped up. If it was the first one, trust me, I love the first one, but me just can't. I mean, I know way, and it's not like them. I tell you, say, boy, okay, look, 3 minutes and 54 seconds in the video, you will see where, so I can go there and cut out that and then, you know. So if I go play back over the whole video, I could hear 5 different things and never know which one. And the 2 when me choose and cut out, I still not it. Can't go through that cleanse there. Me not go through it. So, only just bear with me. Tomorrow is another day, so I don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember, continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. The Young Entrepreneur College Student, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube link in my comment section also. Pin give her a subscription, please and thanks. I am begging you for a while now to help her to reach that 1,000 subscribers. You know, it take it time, it a move, you know, people are subscribing, but you know, that bolt not coming. She reached what, 570 now. She still want another 430 subscribers to hit that 1,000 mark. And then if she wants to sit down and work on content for her to get her watch hours so she can have a monetized channel, there's nothing more me can do. Because I now go beg on if go watch no content. She must know now to put out content. When me say she put out some good content, when me feel like say, boy, okay, my audience will gravitate to these type of content, because remember now, these are young people, you know. And most, not saying I don't have young people on my platform, but as me telling you, most of my support base is people who is up in age like myself, and respectable persons. Certain things them now go take, but as me say, we have to understand they are young people also, so them are gonna put out things that suit them and stuff like that, and them fit for them little life for them live. Which I ask her also, you have to put out content for these people who supporting you also, right? You have to mix the content. So if she wants to sit down and put out content for no watch, if she get the watch hour, that is her fault. But me just beg on to figure that 1,000. What did she tell me, say, boy, when she not post on what day, because she just feel like it not make sense and whatsoever, because she not see this tribe. I tell her, I said, that's how YouTube is. YouTube, hey, as me say, me come here, come see people in this when you earn $1. People in this long, I mean, I tell you about monetized channel. I tell you about somebody who just have a channel just to go up on YouTube. I talk about person who want to do YouTube, we monetize, and them not earn $1. It's not easy. You understand? So you have to work towards that break. You never know when that video will come. Just like me, I never know said Dana video that put me here. You understand? Because even now that my backup channel is monetized. My backup channel monetized from November, late November. Alright, so put it January, February, right? Going into March. And I know I don't reach a threshold on that channel. Because YouTube is not easy like that, how some people take it. When you get the break, it's easier for you. When you get that real break there, yeah, where you have audience that captivate to your channel, and you give, and you get the algorithm from YouTube, and you get the recommendation from YouTube, and yes, and you get your ads them and people are watch them. Yes, when you get that break, you have to make use of it. You can't stop post and get comfortable, because the time where you go stop post, that's the time your people them will support you, will looking out for you to post content. I go divert and go elsewhere. Them are gonna stop look out for your videos. Some of them might just unsubscribe to your channel also. So that's how the work just begin. So YouTube not really easy, people. Especially if you come, which everybody come a YouTube who want a monetized channel come for earn. But it's not easy. As a young monetized YouTuber, when you don't get no break, a sense you go gain. Sense. And you know how long that sense take to reach a threshold of $100 before you can get paid? Because you have to reach a threshold of $100 before YouTube pay you. If this month you work $99, you're not getting paid. You have to work that next dollar in the next month to get paid. And each month, there's a month in the back. Because when you get, alright, so come February when you get paid for February. And a February month you get paid for, you know, a January. So YouTube always have a month in the back for you. So YouTube not really easy. You have to love it and put out the work. And that me I try to tell her. But me just want to help her to hear that 1,000 subscriber, and she take it from there. So bless upon yourself again. Thanks for watching. You know, come to the end of another video. Respect. Big up on yourself. I'm out, Jamaica. Cool.